Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we have an unboxing of the Mystic Black Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have the unboxing of the Mystic Black Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. As you guys can see from the box, this is exactly what it looks like. If you guys did actually get the Mystic Bronze, you do have a different color there in front. So that is how you distinguish which color that you have. On the side, you do see Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 on the side there. And on the back, it tells you what's included. Now, if you guys haven't been on my channel before, you saw that I did unbox the original Galaxy Fold. And I could say, after I left the device, I really missed it, and I actually bought it again, and I really had a good time with it, but I kind of felt like there were a few things missing from it, and this is exactly what I really wanted from it. But the price tag is a little bit higher than before, but you do have the 120 Hertz refresh rate, and you don't have that little weird little bezel that they had up top with the last one, and it definitely looks like it was made a little bit better. They did take away a few things. Don't mind my actual talk here. You guys can fast forward if you don't want to hear me talk about it. But when you did get the first one, you did get 512 gigabytes of internal storage. This one is only 256, and you did get the Galaxy Buds that did actually come inside the box. With this, you don't even get that, but you can actually request for the wired headphones like I did for this device, like you did with the Note 20 Ultra. So I would definitely leave a link down below if you guys want to get your free headphones. You just have to put your IMEI and your address, and that's about it. So let's start off with the unboxing itself here. Alright, so pretty nice presentation. It is definitely better than the first one, I personally think, in my opinion. Let's see if we could pop this out here. Alright, put that to the side. Alright, so let's just place this down. So you have these two flaps here. First thing you see is Samsung. Pop this out. Alright, so let's see what you got inside here. And one more thing that I really like about the first one is that it came with a case. Now, if you guys don't know, there is a nice little shortage on cases. You can actually pick up the official Samsung ones from the website or from Verizon. Shout out to Big Dog. So you can just pop got this little thing right here, a little flap. You guys can pause this and read it for yourself. Definitely can. Here's the phone itself and all the beauty and fingerprints. Oh wow. Alright, so here's what else you get in here. So you have the Galaxy Z Premier service. So you guys can pause this and read it for yourself. You definitely can. A one-time screen replacement offer, and within 1 year purchase for the special price of $150 if you purchase your Galaxy Z Fold, well, Z, before December 31st. And it does come with a charger, and it comes with some Type-C cable as well. So that's all you get in the box for $2,000. But here's the phone itself. If you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. Just some precautions about it. Do not press the screen or the front camera lens with a hard or sharp object such as a pen or fingernail. Doing so could result in product damage such as scratches or dents. You guys can read the rest if you want to. Alright. So let's just pop this baby out. Alright, so here's the phone in all of its glory. I definitely like the black one a little bit better. And I gotta be honest, guys, I have been using this for about a few days now. So I did already unbox this. I could not wait. Let's just power it up. But now I can tell you exactly how I've been feeling about it after a few days with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. Now, the one thing that I could say straight off the bat, the way that it is built is way better than the original Fold. I definitely like the aspects a little bit better, and especially the fact that you have a bigger screen up top, which is definitely a plus. And I have been using this. A few people have been saying that they haven't been using the front, but I definitely have been taking advantage of that, especially when I want to mount it on my car, because I don't want to use a bigger screen. When I use Google Maps, or if I want to use my Spotify, I definitely take advantage of this screen right here. I'm really loving the cameras as well. I think the cameras do seem pretty good. All right, let me put my password in here. Right, so just the overall package that you get with this. Now you don't get a lot as far as accessories, but the deal that I got for this was pretty good. I got the Watch 3 and a Galaxy Lives for $250 when you pick this up, so that was definitely a fantastic deal. First thing that I really like about the Samsung Z Fold 2 is in the cameras. Now the cameras are pretty good as well, but there's a little button right there on the top left where you just tap it and you're able to see right over there, so whoever you're taking a picture of can actually see themselves by using the other screen, which is something that I've never seen on a phone before, and I think that's absolutely cool. Something that's definitely innovative. I probably never would have thought of that, so it's cool to actually take advantage of that, and you can actually see yourself, and you can utilize that to actually take a really crispy photo of yourself, kind of like a selfie mode. So you can use the wide angle lens that's on this camera, and then you can utilize it and see yourself in the back. So that is pretty dope feature, Samsung. So the one thing that I do not like about it is the fingerprint. Now this does actually come with a built-in screen protector that you can see here, but just the way that it picks up fingerprints is absolutely crazy. So you do have to keep on cleaning this, especially if you have the Mystic Black color. You can see those fingerprints every single where on the back, and the fact that you don't get a case on it, you could definitely see it even more. Let me put this on airplane mode here. But I would definitely try to get insurance on this. I know that Samsung has insurance for this for $11.99 a month, so I would definitely try to take advantage of that, especially since there's not really any cases out there till mid-October. So you could definitely take advantage of that, I think, for like a month or two. And if anything happens to the case, I mean to the phone, you could definitely use that insurance policy with Samsung. But overall, just my first impressions, is not a full review. Is this phone worth $2,000? I don't know. Is phones really worth $1,000 or more? But if you had to charge $2,000 for a phone, this would definitely have to be it. Not a question about it. Just the way that it was built, just the different things that you could do. You could watch live streams in like a different format. Let me show you what I'm talking about real quick. I did actually post this on Twitter. You guys can follow me at Mr. Allen Anthony or Phone Tech at Work. But when you turn it to the side, you can see the comments on the right hand side, and just the way that looks, it makes it so much more convenient when you want to type a comment in when you're, watching a live stream. But big shout out to Dr. Disrespect. If you guys know who that is, let me know down in the comments for the 2-time. But overall, my first impression is that I'm really in love with this device. The battery life is pretty good. The speakers are really good as well. The cameras are good. Just everything about it, except for the fact that it picks up a lot of fingerprints, as you guys can see. So you definitely have to keep on cleaning it. So if you guys are on Reddit, if you guys are on XDA, and you guys are waiting for this phone to be delivered, you will not be disappointed. I know a lot of people have been comparing it to the Note 20 Ultra, and what's the big difference about it is the Note 20 Ultra is a great device. I had it, but the fact that it does this, like, there is no other phone that can do this that looks this good. Maybe the Huawei Mate X, maybe, but this one does have the 1440p 120 hertz refresh rate. This thing's buttery smooth, and the battery is pretty good as well. Just my first impressions, guys. It's thin. I love it. If you put it in some shorts, it might slip out, so just be careful when you're getting into your car or leaving your car, because that happened to me, where the phone actually slipped out of my shorts, and it actually fell on the floor as well. So no damage so far, but this is definitely a great device, and I could definitely see why people love the Fold. I really enjoyed the first one, and I'm definitely loving this one. So if you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. This is just my unboxing and my first impressions with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 and Mystic Black, and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video.